My name is Brian. This is Rated R Cars. I apologize for this shirt. Rated R Cars, not good at shirts. So it's time for a 5,000 mile update here in the 2018 Mustang GT350. I got a brand new camera position, so hopefully it's not vibrating as much as it looks like it's vibrating. So far things are going well. I'm enjoying the experience, having a blast. Oh yeah, sideways biatch. Liking the sights, the sounds, the smells. Yummy. Hey! And continuing to like the overall Mustang experience. Woo! I've had many different sports cars throughout my life. And I've really kind of found myself in the Mustang experience and in the Mustang community. Sorry, I've got to keep my eyes on the road here in New York. It's very dangerous not to do so. Oh, there's a dude running in front of my car. Case in point. There's a car going right into my lane. Another case in point. Let's get that on the van true. Enjoying the November scenery here in White Plains, New York. And overall, having a great time in the car. So we've had a few hiccups here. The quarter panel of the car got dinged. I had it repaired at Consumer Auto Body here in White Plains, New York. Awesome guys, highly recommended. You should go down and see them. I'm going to be making an overview video for them soon. A drone attacked my car and scratched up the paint, so I got to get that fixed. Maybe I'll go to Consumer Auto Body in White Plains for that. I also bought a random orbital polisher, so maybe I can use that. Earl, I will slap you beardless. Had a couple of plastic parts sort of come out of nowhere. Not sure what that was all about, but hopefully it's nothing. I don't see anything performance-wise going wrong with the car over a couple of plastic pieces. Maybe they weren't even part of the car, who knows. Was having a little bit of issues with first gear lockout, so to speak. Having a hard time putting it into first gear and downright, denied putting into first gear. Let me get over here. That has seemed to have been improving. The shifting overall has definitely improved over the past few hundred miles. And although I did feel that little bit of a notch today, usually when I feel it, if I just wait a second or sort of massage the gear, massage the shifter into first gear, it goes right in. So it's definitely reduced versus what it was before. So I think it's a non-issue. I do have one new problem with the car. There's some kind of annoying vibrations coming out of the head unit or somewhere around, the bottom left side under the head unit. I do know Auto Fanatic, a fellow New Yorker, has a channel, and he's addressed some of the vibration issues, so I'll check out his channel and see if I can get it fixed up. A minor annoyance. It's intermittent, not all the time. All right, hopefully this sounds a little bit better. I've lowered the microphone down further on my seatbelt and the car's no longer running. Bear with me here as I experiment with different camera locations and setups. So it's time for my first oil change. I'm going to be doing a tomfoolery review of this because, well, oil changes are boring. The car is definitely shifting a lot smoother in the last few hundred miles. I'm still used to kind of that a little bit more smoother shifting 2018 Mustang GT that I had. Now that I'm sort of used to the notchiness of the GT350, and also now that I've got 5,000 miles on her, it seems to be shifting a lot better. Also, did I mention I'm having a blast? This and that Mustang GT that I had have been probably the best experience in sports cars that I've ever had, like ever. It's been seriously awesome. After many sports cars, I think I've finally found my brand, Mustang. I like the sights, the sounds, everything. I'm having a blast being a part of the Mustang world and the Mustang family.
I changed in 1917. I switched over. I got the Challenger.
That orange GT is upstaging the guys. He had to turn on that RTR grill.
Great job.
Thank you. Thank you. What's your name?
It's Mike.
Mike. Brian.
Code of Stang 18.
Okay. What's your, say again, you got a YouTube channel?
No, I don't, but I'm
Okay. I was going to give you a plug.
Earl coming?
Earl is in the back, he's in the trunk. He's going to be coming out when I review the Black Mamba. All right, so you're an Earl fan?
Earl fan, yeah.
All right, we got an Earl fan here. Awesome. Thanks, dude. I actually missed my 2018 Mustang GT, actually. In an ideal world, I think I'd have that for my daily driver and the GT350 for track driving. But not at 5 cents per hour on these videos. So kind of hit the like, watch the ads, click the ads even, help a brother out. It'll make all the late nights possible. This is your channel. I need your help in making it awesome.
Twerk it, twerk it, twerk it, twerk it. Yay! Y'all know Earl be twerking, boy! Yay!
On the not so great side, I just got a quote for some all-season tires on this bad boy. Just under $2,000. And I've heard that the summer tires that come with the car burn out pretty quickly. So this car is going to be pretty much a small fortune to maintain.
Money, money, money.
The GT350 is not a highly moddable car. You could do, headers, exhaust, intake, all that kind of stuff, but it's pretty much already got that stuff, and it's got it awesomely. Music to my ears. It's better than Beethoven playing his piano. Beethoven. What? I got a C in music class in college. You could do weight reduction, like carbon fiber drive shafts and the like. And what it really needs is more of a power adder, like a supercharger. But a lot of people say that that kind of takes away from the character of the car. It kind of ruins the car, ruins its resale value. I'm not sure I agree on that. What do you guys think? So in terms of long-term channel strategy, I don't really see a lot of things that I can do with this car. I do have a pipeline of about 6 months worth of content that I can create, but beyond that, I'd really have to start modding the car to keep things fun. And maybe I will. But again, if I do that, then you face the issue of devaluing the GT350. So I kind of miss my Mustang GT and its modability. And after taking a ride in Michael Mack's supercharged Mustang and also a subscriber's supercharged Mustang, video of that awesomeness coming soon. Oh my God, it's awesome. 100 miles an hour in Mexico. We are live in Mexico. The GT350, silence woman, silence! The GT350 kind of seems anemic. Don't get me wrong, on the track or around corners and in general it's awesome. But you're not gonna break any records, in a dig. Maybe I'll sell the GT350 and get a Mustang GT and mod the heck out of it. As you guys know, there's tons that can be done to the Mustangs. I hate this left on the Bronx River Parkway. I don't know if I'm gonna scrape the car every time. If you go a little bit too fast, I'm gonna scrape it. Let's see what happens. New York does not have the most friendly driving conditions for a lowered car. or any car, or even bicycles. In fact, you probably shouldn't even walk on these streets, lest you fall into a pitfall of a pothole.
Continue on Bronx River Parkway for 3/4 of a mile.
Scary. We made it. So maybe you'll get another Mustang GT and mod that. Maybe I'll wait and get the S650. Then you got the GT500, which I'm not going to be able to afford, making 5 cents an hour on these videos, unless y'all spread the word, hit the likes, the subscribes, ring the bells.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right
And
onto
quiet,
Central
women,
Avenue.
trying to vlog here. Stop being a vlog blocker. So anyway, back to the present. Having a blast in the GT350. The car is phenomenal. It's a true sports car, glued to the ground around corners. It's awesome. Share your comments and thoughts on getting another car, modding it, modding this car. What direction you'd like to see this channel moving into in the near future. This is your channel. I appreciate the dialogue always. Go over these New York bumps. Let's continue to build it together. All right, I'm going to continue with my other channel shout-outs. This one is for Al from Coyote Car Guy.
What's happening, everybody? Al here, coming right at you from sunny Southwest Florida.
Really cool, laid-back guy, knows a ton about cars. He has a brand new Mustang, which he just supercharged. He does a lot of cool informational videos. Go check him out. It's Al. His channel's called Coyote Car Guy. Hit him up with a subscribe and a bell and all that good stuff. All right, guys, I'd like to end today with just a thought. I'd like to inject some thought into these videos sometimes.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right at Cleveland Street.
With respect to important things. Today's thought is on abiogenesis. Abiogenesis is the process whereby inorganic matter billions of years ago, seriously, billions, come on. The process whereby inorganic matter billions of years ago somehow gave birth to organic matter, whether it be through a lightning strike, actually I'm not even kidding, a lightning strike is one of the theories, or what have you. Somehow, billions of years ago, a biogenesis occurred whereby inorganic matter gave birth to organic matter. By the way, that has never been replicated or observed. Even with our awesome technology, we can make space shuttles and GT350s and lasers, and we can even make lightning. And even with all our awesome intelligence and technology, we can't do it.
Turn right at Cleveland Street, then turn left.
But rocks in water, rock soup basically,
Your
could do it
destination is on the right.
billions of years ago. Just something to think about, guys. All right, guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and no matter what you do, always go flat out.